The crack widened, spilling a thin beam of pale light that cut across the floor. Elias stumbled backward, shielding his eyes. The ticking in the shop stopped again, and silence rushed in like a wave. The glass shattered. From within the watch poured shadows shaped like figures, each one whispering fragments of lives long past. The air grew cold as the whispers circled him. His grandfather's face was gone. In its place, a hollow voice emerged. "We are time. We remember. And we are free." Elias felt the weight of centuries pressing down on him. His lungs burned. He thought of running. But where could he go? The shop was sealed. Every clock face turned toward him like unblinking eyes. The shadows swirled faster, pulling at his skin, at his very being, trying to drag him inside the glass. Desperation surged. He lifted the diary he had found earlier in the workshop, a leather book marked with strange symbols. He opened it at random and shouted the words scrawled in fading ink. The shop trembled. The shadows shrieked, recoiling from the sound. The watch clattered to the floor, its glow fading, its pull broken. The shadows collapsed into dust, vanishing as quickly as they had come. Elias collapsed, gasping, the diary slipping from his grip. When he finally looked around, the shop was still again. The clocks ticked in perfect unison, as though nothing had happened. But on the floor where the watch had been, there was only empty wood. His grandfather's secret was gone. Or perhaps only waiting. Follow for more stories.